So this is how lime juice and charcoal transform poultry fast. Farmers hiding these organic chicken tricks. You can see this is charcoal with only 2 seeds of lime. Only 2 seeds. This is charcoal. This is 2 seeds of lime juice. Watch the video to the end so that you know how to apply this and how to get the best result from this. It's going to help you a lot. Don't skip any of the tracks, please. And I hope you are hearing me because it is raining heavily here. And I don't want to miss this video this night because I promise it. How lime juice and charcoal can transform your poultry fast. Farmers hiding these organic farming tricks. This simple mixture of simple mix of lime juice and charcoal is transforming poultry farmers across Africa. You can see they said it is a waste until it saved my chickens and double my profits in poultry farming. Big poultry farmers don't want you to know this secret, but I will reveal it to you today, now. I'm going to reveal this to you. Many poultry farmers, big farms, are using this, but they don't let you know. So they won't teach you this. They won't come out and disclose this to you to tell you how they are making profit. No, I'm going to reveal it to you. Sit down and relax, watch it and get how to use this to make the maximum profit. Welcome to this particular channel. This is a very serious topic today. You are highly welcome to my channel. This is a revealing video on one of the most underrated organic booster, lime juice and charcoal. In this particular video, you will discover how these 2 natural elements, when combined together, can drastically improve poultry health, growth, egg production, and farm profitability. Whether you are rearing broilers or layers, this organic hack might be the breakthrough your farm needs. So make sure you don't watch and skip. No, watch to the end so that you get the best. Watch to the end. There's a comment I'm going to make at the end of this particular video. If you don't get that topic, you don't get that comment, it means you didn't watch it at all. It is purely understandable that you didn't watch the video. At the end of that video, I'm going to make a comment. That comment is what will qualify this, how I'm going to make use of this. And it comes at the end of the video. If you don't get it, it means there's no need using this at all. Lime juice. What are the nutritional properties of lime and charcoal combined together? Lime juice per 100 ml contains vitamin C 29.1 milligram. That is almost 48% of the daily human consumption. Daily human consumption of vitamin C is 29.1. Calcium 33 milligram. Iron 0.6 milligram. Citric acid 8 to 10%. Potassium 102 milligram. Flavonoid 3 to 5 milligram. Antioxidants very high. What of charcoal? Activated charcoal per gram used in poultry farming. Absorptive surface area is 300 to 2000 square milligram. The minerals ash contains is 1. Calcium, it contains magnesium, it contains potassium, and all these trace elements are all intact in charcoal. That's why many farmers are now using charcoal, but some don't know how to make use of it. If you watch the video to the end, you're going to know the best way to make use of it. If you don't use it too well, it's going to affect your chickens. Toxin binder extremely high in charcoal because it can help to detoxify both the feed and the system of your poultry and livestock animal. pH balance agent. It helps to reduce aciduous elements in poultry guts. What are the medicinal and health benefits of lime juice plus charcoal mixed in poultry? 1. It boosts immunity. Limes and vitamin C. Listen carefully. Lime's vitamin C and charcoal's detoxification properties enhance resistance to diseases. It prevents and treats diarrhea. You know that many farmers are using charcoal for long now to handle diarrhea in poultry. Charcoal binds toxins. Lime adds antibacterial effect in poultry. It improves digestion. It helps to regulate gut pH and encourages healthy bacteria to grow in the system that fight off the bad bacteria. It eliminates toxins from feed. Charcoal binds mycotoxins and pathogens in contaminated feeds. It increases appetite. Birds eat better and gain faster weight. It supports respiratory health in poultry and livestock animals. The lime helps fight infections and mucus build up in poultry, thereby clearing their breathing system, and they get energized because once they can breathe well, they will eat well. It reduces bad odor in droppings. You know that limes has properties to reduce odor. Lime adds calcium and improve layers productivity, also supports eggshell strength and eggshell quality in laying beds. It promotes weight gain. Lime and charcoal clean the gut system of the poultry and causes better feed conversion ratio and faster growth. It is 100% antibiotic-free organic growth enhancer, ideal for natural farming and residue-free meat, so that all these bad elements from antibiotics will not cause harm to human body any longer with this combination of lime and charcoal. How to apply in poultry? 1 cup of fresh lime. Use 1 cup, or you can use, depending on the number of birds you want to make use of. You can use 2. Lime is very costly now. You can use the simple format, the simple formula for few birds. The one you can use to serve them for few time, whether 2 days or 3 days. Use 2, or you get full cup if you have large stock. Now, extract the juice, filter it. 1 tablespoon of fine powder charcoal. That is wood charcoal. You can see it here. 5 liters of clean water. Mix it thoroughly. Either you serve the drink to the poultry birds, or you add to their feed. Use it and mix their feed. Mix it thoroughly in their feed so that it will not be noticeable, and serve them. Another step is mix lime juice in water thoroughly with add pinch of charcoal in it. Stir it very well. Stir the charcoal very well to avoid lumps, so that it will be flowing. Then avoid to sit for 30 minutes. Mix lime juice into clean water. Stay this thing. Add 2 spoons of charcoal. Fine one, not the pellets, please. Grind it to powder, or you can pound it and get 2 spoons. Add these 2 seeds of lime in the 1 liter of water. Serve to your poultry birds. Stir it properly, please, so that there will no build up. There, nothing like lumps, nothing like them gathering on the bottom of the drinker. No, stir it thoroughly. Let it be like as if it's a tea. Serve to your poultry birds. What are the dosages? Chicken, young chicks, 1 to 14 days. 50 ml per liter of drinking water once every 3 days. Good. Growers or broilers, 15 to 42 days. 100 ml per liter of water once every 2 days. Layers, that is grown-up birds. That is, even if you have livestock, no, it's okay also. 100 ml per 3 liter of water 3 times weekly to improve egg strength and respiratory health. Turkey and dog, these are big feathered animals, up to 120 ml per liter weekly to detoxify and immunize their system, to make them immunity very strong. Always offer clean plain water alongside for choice-based intake, please. So using lime juice and charcoal in poultry and livestock farming is a powerful natural alternative to synthetic antibiotics, toxin binder, growth promoter, and chemical growth promoters. With proper dosage and consistent use, you will witness a significant and better health, faster growth, more eggshell, and increased farm profit, all while keeping your production organic and residue free. This is what lime and charcoal can do for you in poultry farming. You're going to discover massive profit. Thank you for watching this video till now. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. And if this video interests you and you like this video, give it a thumb up and make sure you drop your comment. Thank you is good enough for encouraging us. If you are not subscribed to the channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe and activate the bell notification. Please don't overuse this. As good as it is in poultry, it can still affect them when you overdose it. Please, you see the dosage I'm giving you in this particular video now. Make use of it. Don't overdose because the fact that you have enough of charcoal in your house, because most of us like free things. Charcoal is too much in my house. You will not pack the whole charcoal, a bag of charcoal and mix in the feed. Let me use charcoal and reduce the quantity of feed. No, use appropriately and moderately so that you get the best result. Thank you. Till the next video is uploaded, subscribe to our both channel so that you get all our videos. One video is posted here, one is posted in the other channel on daily basis. The same video is not posted on the two channels. No. For you to get the best, activate the bell notification so that once my video is uploaded and released, you get notified by this wonderful app. You can still encourage this channel by subscribing, join others, those that are already our channel members, join us so that you get the best benefits of this particular channel, and also help us to grow this channel. Share our videos always to encourage more farmers to join us here. Thank you for watching this video. Till the next video is uploaded. For now, till then, I say bye.